Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to perform delete operation and how to sorting the gallery, this type of things. Let's go to our app. I'm using test blank app here. Sorry, I have opened. I need to edit it. Just go here and click on edit. Yeah, it was loaded. In the previous session, I have seen how to add the records and how to display, means how to retrieve the records and how to show details. Like you can see edit screen. This is edit screen and it is the retrieve detail screen. Retrieve. You can. This is edit screen and now I want to show you how to delete and how to start the gallery. These things here. Now you can see here. This is the gallery. Now I want to start the records. Here type sort by columns. Here give our table name. Mine is students, right? So I am giving students, comma, select the field, which field you want to sort. I want to sort name, so give name and what you want, ascending or descending. If you want ascending, you can get ascending. If you want descending, if you are descending, I am going with ascending like this. Now you can see it was sorted in the ascending order. B, C, D, right? Like this, you can sort the gallery. Like that, if you want to delete the record, go to detail screen here. Just place one button. Check. Go to insert. Check for delete button. Is it come with delete or what? No delete. Just go to icons and check for. Yeah, that icon name is trash. Use this one. Yeah. Now button was added. So we need to delete the record. So just click on it and select. You need to write the formula like remove students, comma, gallery one dot selected. And I want to show a few things, other things also here. The browse screen, detail screen. Now I want to add some rectangular here. I just right click on it and re-add or send to back. Now this will look like this. Like this, you can adjust your screen. If you want to change the color, just go here and you can check the color also. Whatever you want, you can give. This looks good. Like this also, you can do it. So now you can delete the record also and you can sort the records also. The previous sessions I already shown how to create the record and I want to show One more thing I will show in the other session. Okay. Now in this session, I want to show you how to sorting and how to delete the record. Okay. Now both are things is ready. Just save it. Don't forget to save and publish. Otherwise, your changes will lost. Now it was saved. I want to show you how to delete. Okay. Now, okay, this is not the first screen. Go to first screen, that is the browse screen, and click on play. Now I want to go to this is refresh button, and I am go to detail screen. This is the detail screen. If you want to go to edit screen, click on this. It will go. I'm not changing anything here. So now I want to delete the Chiranjeevi record. So delete it. Let's check is it deleting or not. You've already seen sorting, right? So now I want showing deleting. Yeah, you can see now no item is displayed. Let's go back and check Chiranjeevi is available or not. You can see here we're already in the sorting, right? No record with C means record got deleted. Now this like this, now you can sort the records and now you can delete the record also. Thanks for watching.
Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe.